Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can host our HTML or a static website to the Google Drive. Yes, we can use Google Drive as a host now and we can publish this website in the real domain. Okay, so I have one domain that is the codingbuzz.shop. Okay, this is my domain. I want to use Google Drive as a hosting. So how can I do this? So it's really very easy. So I have this files, I have this website. As you can see, this is in localhost. I created one folder, the codingbuzz.shop, and in that folder I have index file, images, css and js. Let's open this file and you will find here this is my website. Okay, and I'm going to host this website in the codingbuzz.shop. Okay, now how we can do this? So first of all, now we have all these files here. So upload this folder in the Google Drive. So let's go to the drive. Okay, you can upload up to 15 GB data here. Okay, so let's click on the new and let's click on the folder upload. Okay, and the codingbuzz.shop, let's open this, upload this. Now we are uploading this whole folder in the Google Drive. Okay, now we need to wait some seconds. Now done. Now what we need to do here, as you can see the codingbuzz.shop and we have the all files, index and css, everything. Now let's go to the my drive here and right click on this folder and you will see here the share option. Click on share and make sure that should be shared with everyone. Okay, this is the public, so let's restrict it to anyone with this link. You can just check the view only, then copy link and done. Okay, now we need to open one website and that name is drv.tw. Okay, open this and you'll see the host on Google Drive. Click on this and we need to connect this with our Google Drive and allow this and wait some seconds and see your web page. So we need to wait just some seconds. You can rename, see that website here URL, you can change that name also. So let's open this and see this is our website. Let's wait some seconds. See, amazing, right? So this one is a live right now, but this have the very long name. Okay, staging domain. So how can I move this to the main domain? So it's simple, is that like let's go to the dashboard. So once you purchase the domain, so you need to go to the domain DNS setting. Okay, so let's click on the domain. I have this domain. Let's go to the manage DNS. So as you can see the add new record, click on this and choose the CNAME, select the CNAME and the blog or so I'm going to put the www and the value of CNAME is, let's go here, copy this URL that you hosted and just paste it, but make sure you need to remove like this till this backward slash, like this forward slash, and we need to remove that https also. It means we have our website.on drv.tw is that, and you can just select the half hour like this and save this value. Let's updating DNS record and it's done. See, we have CNAME and this is the, now we need to go to the forwarding option here and we need to use the masking. So click on the add forwarding. Now the destination URL, let's put this URL. Go to the portfolio, let's put that URL. Okay, like this. Now we need to use your forward with masking. Title is like the coding buzz. Okay, coding something. Okay, and let's save this. Yeah, done. Now sometimes this will not open, so you need to wait 30 minutes at least. Now let's open the incognito to check .shop how this will work. See, here is a hosted. So now you have hosted that real domain to the Google Drive. You can't host any dynamic website is like that have the database. Okay, so you can't create any database in the Google Drive. So if you have some static website like HTML, Bootstrap, CSS, so you can publish your website like this using the Google Drive. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.